Okay, so what are we going to do during week 2? Well, I'm going to go to the modules. I encourage you to go to the modules, not just do the to-do list, because you're going to miss a large part of the course. So here I've got the week spelled out, and as always, I have this what to do each week. You should be reading that. And what I'll do is I'll list our things. Here's that first problem set you can do. So right now there's only 3 exams scheduled for this course, and I'm not doing any weekly quizzes. So what you can choose to do if you want to is complete these problem sets, turn them in at the end of the week. You're gonna have to use other pieces of paper and either take pictures or create a PDF. And if you need some help, let me know that. And it's always on the past week's work. And it's just, I'll give you some feedback. If you do those, I'll give you my answer key and we'll write in a grade. And at the end of the course, if it helps you, I'll include it. If it doesn't help you, I won't. But in order to see my answer key, you got to submit some work. That's the price of admission. Okay. And the way you turn that in is if you go to modules and you download that, do your work on paper, get your paper in electronic form, either with pictures and or a scanner. And as soon as this loads, let's see here. What you'll do is you'll turn it in. You'll turn it in right there. See it with that assignment. You're going to click on that. And what you can do, you should be able to upload a file. Make sure I get that. You're going to start the assignment. There's another copy of it. Start that assignment. What you do is you just upload your PDF ideally. If not, I'm going to create a PDF from your work and do it. There you go. You can upload file, and you can add, if you're doing it with just pictures, you can upload, as many pictures as you want. I'd rather have it as a PDF, single PDF. But I also don't want tech limitations to keep you from doing that. Okay, so that's something you can do if you choose to. You don't have to. You can just do the 3 exams. And then I've got the week 2 Open Math to do, and I get those videos you can watch. And again, you get 2 discussion forum posts. First one's due on for Saturday the 4th. Second one's due by Monday the 6th. And then of course I've got this water cooler talks about how you can some things. Go read it. I won't go into it here. But that's it for this week. We'll have one more week next week, and then week 4 will be an exam week. So hopefully you're staying caught up. Remember, I hope if you need help, you have access to this tutoring.com. I would rather you access me, but I also understand if our times don't mesh up. I understand you need some help. It's going to take some work. The way you get access to me, at least for this next week, is this. Clicking on that calendar right there, and that will take you out and let you set an appointment for me this week. I'm surely going to be using the calendar here, but not. I've got one more week. My high school classes are I got to make my time available. And then after that, we'll just do it here in Canvas and make it a lot easier. All right. So give me a yell if you need some help. I'll do email. You can ask me questions through My Open Math. Though asking those questions in the discussion forum is better. If you need some help with the problem set questions, because that is kind of like an exam, go ahead and email me those if you want. Don't post those in the question. Okay, let me know what you need.